Alright, right now we are constructing a pigsty. We want to come out from these old traditional pigsties to at least improve the pigsties. So we are going to build the wall fence.
Wow.
On the fence we shall also put the pigsties, meaning this is gonna be something that is at least improved. So in this video we are going to share with you how we started our farm, where we have reached, and which pigs are we having. How can you make your pigs domesticated? Ladies and gentlemen, this Kataps once again here to give you the story of a pig, to give you the life of a pig. How can you tame your pigs? Tame your pigs into domestic animals. This is a very large pig. You have to massage, especially on the back. You can see the pig is very big, but when you massage on the back, it becomes that peaceful. No matter how it is, you domesticate it, you make it part of you. So this is pig farming. Our pigs are always healthy and willing to be with us. You can see, when you look at it, the size. This is our bow that fertilizes our pigs. And this one is a Cambler which has grown to its size. So today we have improved our farm. We want to ensure that everything is clean. We want to ensure that everything moves at the way they should move. So when you build the pigsty, you look at the left. When you look at the size of a pigsty, it should be 8 by 7 feet, and the length, the height should be 4 feet. So this one is the real standard of a pigsty. See my babies here, they are 2, and the feed will be put here and the water will be put here. So we have to ensure that our project or our pigsties are at a size that is necessary and the right size. So if you're to do pig farming, don't fear to start. Start small. We also started small, but where we are is not really small. At least to get one pigsty, standard, go slow. I call them my mentors. You can say they are sleeping, they are just enjoying life. These are my mentors. I love pigs. Yeah, I love pigs.